Breathing in, I don't rush at all. Every sound feels soft and kind, like the world is reading my mind. I've been chasing shapes in the dark. Now I'm still and my heart knows where to start. I don't need more, I'm already here. Nothing missing, nothing unclear. I let it go, I let it slide. I'm satisfied. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Feet on the ground, sky in my chest. Learning slowly how to rest. All those questions fade away when I stop asking for yesterday. I was louder, I was blind. Now I move with softer tide. I don't need more, I'm already here. Nothing broken, nothing to fear. I let it flow, I let it ride. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. No spotlight, no race to win. Just a quiet place within. If I lose the fight. But I keep the peace tonight. Breathing out, I feel